Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Bradley here, and it's time for the BuffRadio.com entertainment wrap-up presented by Buff Boy Brewing Company.
JB's Entertainment Wrap-Up.
Brought to you by BuffBoyBrewing.com. For a great cup of joe, there's one thing you should know. Your morning brew can also be playful. Buff Boy Brewing guys make the temperature rise, and you'll surely feel naughty when you swallow their coffee. Shop Buff Boy Brewing's premium collections of coffee and tea at BuffBoyBrewing.com. Buff Boy Brewing, you can't get enough buff. Here's what's making news this July 13th. So, did the Harry, formerly known as Prince, actually reunite with his dad? Was there royal drama at Buckingham Palace? And did Meghan Markle show her face, or was she too scared without taxpayer-funded security? Well, we have some answers. Harry, Meghan, and their kids met with King Charles and Camilla over the weekend, but according to royal reps, it happened at the King's private country residence called Highgrove House in Gloucestershire, England. This was, did I say that right? Gloucestershire? Whatever. In England. It happened in England. This was the first time the group has been together in 4 years since Harry and Meghan fled to the US and started trashing the royal family, all for money. There was also a lot of speculation that Markle would lay low because of the security issue. We have not heard of her making any official public appearances. Now, as we talked about last week, right here at the start of Harry's return to the UK, he got a crushing blow in a legal fight with a tabloid publisher. We've also talked about the apparent financial struggles for Harry and Meghan since most of their business deals have fallen flat. Well, those two problems collide as a new report says Harry cannot afford to pay his legal fees after the years-long tabloid battle. How much? Reports from the UK said those legal fees could amount to $20 million. That's money that Harry just does not have, they say. Worse yet, the clock will be ticking once the judge finalizes the case. The claimants will have only 14 days to pay the fees determined by the judge, even if they appeal the decision. A source said that Elton John, who also took on the publisher in court and subsequently lost, would potentially help pay Harry's way after the crushing defeat. John was famously good friends with Harry's mom, Princess Diana. The source said, quote, Harry definitely doesn't have the money for it. Elton John could also help Harry out. They're extremely close, end quote. Elton John has not commented on any of this. Elsewhere in train wreck news, Britney Spears once again made headlines with her wild antics on the freeway. Last week, Spears was photographed in a black Mercedes popping up through the sunroof. Traffic was not moving, really fast anyway, and she seemingly gave onlookers a show while stuck on the freeway near Studio City. Initially, a source said, quote, she used to do this all the time as a kid growing up in the South. Well, there we go. There's a missing piece of that puzzle. She loves having the warm wind blow through her hair in the summer. It's fun. If it's illegal to put your head through a sunroof, she doesn't know it. She didn't mean to do anything bad. Spears seemingly reacted to the shock and backlash over the weekend by posting a pic of herself lying on the roof of a car and said, what people see is 2 seconds of insanity of me arching me to the Lords, yet the days and hours of my reality. Nothing is what it seems. Psst, I think I need to come out of the roof quite a bit more. And if you have any idea what that means, send me an email. I want to hear from you. That's a check of your celebrity headlines for this Monday, July 13th. I'm back tomorrow for a complete look at all the crazy celebrity happenings right here on the BuffRadio.com entertainment wrap-up presented by Buff Boy Brewing Company. Till next time, I'm Jeremy Bradley.
For a great cup of joe, there's one thing you should know. Your morning brew can also be playful. Buff Boy Brewing guys make the temperature rise, and you surely feel naughty when you swallow